Since 1988, December 1st has been designated World AIDS Day, bringing awareness to the disease and those who have died from it. Rural AIDS Action Network, or RAN, is a harm reduction organization serving rural communities in Minnesota. Along with several partners, RAN hosted an event in Duluth today to raise awareness of HIV. They also provided free testing, healthcare resources, and COVID, flu, and monkeypox vaccines. Back in 2019, the Minnesota Department of Health designated St. Louis County, and specifically the Duluth area, with an HIV outbreak. Organizers say they held this event to bring awareness and promote healthy lifestyles.
HIV is totally preventable now, so we're really trying to get that information out to the community, and then also acknowledge those that have been, whose lives have been lost due to AIDS-related illnesses.
Earlier today, Representative-elect Alicia Kozlowski read a proclamation declaring December 1st World AIDS Day in Duluth. There are several local places to get confidential, no-cost HIV testing and care. You can find a list on our website.